Phuket Island is the world-class destination that travelers around the world want to visit for its beaches, sea, sand, sun, weather, and amazing food. Moreover, Phuket Island is one of the provinces of Thailand that has been developed into a smart city. Along with the growth of economy and tourism of Phuket, real estate sector has been continuously expanding, attracting more investors and residents who make Phuket a new home. There are different types of properties available, from apartment, housing projects, and luxury villas. If you are looking for investment opportunities or second holiday homes, we would like to introduce you to BOTANICA Luxury Villas. BOTANICA Luxury Villas is one of the leading and award-winning luxury villa developers who has more than 10 years experience and has built over 200 villas. Our BOTANICA Luxury Villas are located in the premium area of Phuket Island, surrounded by our facilities and high-end community to ensure quality lifestyle. We are here now at the Bang Tao Beach, only a few minutes away from BOTANICA Luxury Villas. Welcome home. At the home entrance, we have the outer gate, 2 parking space, storage room, separate entrance, and this is the first room of the house, which is the guest bedroom, which can be used as a study, separated from the main building for owner's privacy. At BOTANICA Luxury Villas, we offer unique design Balinese villa style combined with natural living with top quality products. At the living room, we see the seamless floor net of the living, dining, kitchen, all open to the tropical garden and swimming pool. One of the unique designs of BOTANICA Luxury Villas is the high ceiling and wide roof, allowing the spacious open-air seating area while enjoying the tropical garden and swimming pool, with options to have sala seating area either by the pool or on the rooftop. From your bed, you can look at the beautiful view and walk straight directly to the swimming pool. This is the master bathroom. We have bathtub with stone wall decoration, outdoor shower room, indoor shower room, countertop from travertine imported from Italy with color scheme options available. This is a second bedroom with ensuite bathroom and garden view. Key features of BOTANICA Luxury Villas: high quality villas with high-end top quality materials. Few minutes distance to all facilities, community, beaches, and nature. Functionality and practicality of lifestyle living. Award-winning luxury design, modern glamour, and oriental classic styles. Custom-built residences for personalized requirements. Easy and flexible payment plan with construction progressive payment schedule. Unique investment opportunity with guaranteed rental return.